Hi everyone, welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here I have a Breville 870, and this machine was brought in because it was making a loud noise during its brewing cycle, and this is because the solenoid valve assembly had gone bad. Power was getting to the solenoid valves, but they weren't opening and closing as they should, and they were getting stuck, and so you hear a little kind of sound while they're trying to open. But we replaced them, and here it is, working once again. So we're gonna test a shot. You can just hear normal sounds. It's just the pump and then the machine building up the pressure. There it is. And then the shot, there, perfect. It's gonna stop there at about 1 ounce. There you have it. Breville no longer making loud noises. Thanks for tuning in to Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos, and if you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.